Stand. Hello everyone. So welcome to another vlog. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. Anyway, today I'll be going to New African Shrine, which was Fela Shrine that he uses for his performances. Now it has been, the former was born, but the new one was renovated and built by son. So that's why I'm going to have some fun. So I'm going to show you guys all the fun. But before I continue, let's go to the outfit of the day. So my outfit, which is this bodysuit I'm wearing, is from Forever 21. Then my skirt, which is this middle skirt, I got it from Really Little Thing. Then my bag, I got it from Lekki Arts and Craft Markets. Then my shoe is thrifted though, just in case it's thrifted. So that's all for now.
Okay guys, so I'm currently at trying to locate the African Shrine. But there's just one thing I really wanted to discuss with you guys. I don't know if you will find it interesting. The current COVID vaccination. Many people have their reasons why they don't want to take the vaccination because they feel maybe harmful. Some said it's just 99.9% effective. What do you think? Well, to me, I will take it if I see the opportunity to take it because I was vaccinated as a kid for measles and I still got infected. The only difference was I never ended up in the hospital. My body was already able to fight it. It didn't even last a week before all the pimples masquerade or my skin is back to normal. So, if you get the opportunity to take COVID vaccine, please do. When I get to New Afrika Shrine, I'll vlog it so you guys will see that.
Guys, so I finally settled in when I got to New African Shrine. Just that you can see the look on my face, I'm not really excited. My expectation for the place was so high, and when I got in, it just dropped low. And the fact that I'm not even allowed to video as much as I can, video some kind of places, was just giving me the whole red alert. I couldn't wait to go, but though it was fun actually.
Subscribe to our channel, make sure you like and comment so that we'll know what to think about our videos and everything. Thank you. So yeah, now we're not allowed to do some parts. Whatever really them, but me, I'm not meant to expose whatever they do. But I like this video. How many you want to take? I will better pass. from the background, you can hear that it's only Afro music they play here. It's all Fela song that they do play for us. We're just vibing us with all the songs that he sings. And one he actually sang that I like is like that one that has to do with fights or something. I can't remember what Kimba Noel. That one it got me, but it was fun. Okay, for me, the perks of every place I visit is the souvenirs. I couldn't just pass up the opportunity to get souvenirs, so I got one of the wristband, or should I call it what they call it again, bracelets, but it's beaded African bracelets. I got it for a friend, and I loved it. Though it's pricey, though I got it for about 500 naira, but the others that are a little bit higher, but I think you can get it at cheaper price in other places, maybe in the King of Craft or something, but around here it's a little bit higher, was about 500 naira. And if you are like me, budget babe, you can even get it for 700 naira if you get to the correct man and they'll sell it for you. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and comment any other parts you want me to go to that you want to see on this channel. Thanks, till another time. Bye.